I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select the action SureMembers. Connect to SureMembers. SureMembers connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective field. Under the action, choose a group. Here is the advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Under the Bid Apps Access Group, click on the Users. Here you can see that a user successfully added on the SureMembers Access Group. Thanks for watching.